Taryn has the puck. He fans on it, loose puck in front, and Taraposky poke checks that away. This one loose in front, scores to Taryn. Turns around on it and scores, and it's a power play goal. One back here. Boucher's got it. Gives it over to one. Backhand try. There, scores! Logan one. Pepler pinned up against the boards there. You know what? Here comes Kobe one with the shot. Big stop there by Jarrison. A rebound, scores. But he just barely got the shot off, or at all. And Kupadov, their shot, scores! Sardelli beats Taraposky 5-hole. And OCN, just like in period number 2, starts this period off with a goal. Bird coming in, here's a shot, scores! Boston Bird. And early on in this power play, the Wolverines get one early. Waywayseecappo. Kepler's got it. Tries to give it over to Charco. Goes through his speed instead, though. At the blue line. Backhanded down. Kepler in front. Looking to get in front. Here comes Charco. Scores! Jacob Charco. And the Wolverines are up 4-2. Robson wins it back to Boucher. Scores! Andrew Boucher didn't think that was going to go in. There. He was drawing something up. And now Juan's taking it. Here comes Juan with the empty netter. He's got his second of the game. It's 6-2 for the Waywayseecappo Wolverines. He tries to make it around as they're trying to add some more. Balder the shot right there, tipped up, and a rebound, and look at that, 11 and 11 for Troy Hamilton. The Cappo Wolverines have won it 7-2.